Hello and welcome, and this is Boys Tutorials, and today I need help with my 360 console. Now, I bought this back in... when was it? Let me just try and find it out. Bought this back in... I was about late 2006-7. Now it's 2012. So I've had it for a couple of years and I've never had a problem. But I did have a problem. I got the 3 red lights, but I fixed it. And then after, just 2 days ago, I got this tray problem, and I'm going to show you. So here's the new amazing Modern Warfare 3 that I love playing, but I can't because my disc tray's fucked. So let me just give that a wee wipe. As you can see, there's a big scratch on it too, but it still works. Right, let's plug it in. Let's open the tray. Let's close the tray. And that's all I get. I'll show you with the disc in. And I'll show you if this puts straight back. So I don't know if it's the laser or this. I don't know about this trace. I only can how to fix the red light. So if anybody knows how to fix this, please leave a response video or anything like that, just to figure out how to fix this. I really need it fixed. So pretty much, yeah. If there's not a fix, then I'm pretty much fucked. So yeah, pretty much that's it. So thanks for watching, and please leave a comment or a video response below.